Hello, guys. Happy New Year. Hello, hello. How are you? How did you spend your New Year? I'm not sure if lots of people celebrate this, actually, but we do celebrate this. Happy New Year, guys. Hello, hello. Hello, guys. Hello, hello. I noticed like we have lots of holidays this month. If not mistaken, January 9 also is going to be a bank holiday, so kind of tired from these holidays already. Okay, okay. Let me read the chat. Sorry, guys. Got distracted a little bit. How many ticks are 1 point on NQ? 4 ticks. Are you texting me Happy New Year? Yeah. By the way, guys, did you see that MyFundedFutures increased the price? So they sent me email, I guess it was yesterday, that they're running sale right now. 40% off on Starter Plus account for new users and 20% off for existing users. Actually, that's not a bad deal, I guess, but I wasn't satisfied with price for expert plans accounts. Kind of, it's like $60 more than it was, so it was kind of a lot. But still, okay. J9, we have something with. It's not bank holiday, but if not mistaken, something is going to be that day. Let me check. I remember someone sent me this. It's impossible to find right now. It's impossible to find right now. I will make sure, guys, and we'll let you know, okay? About J9. I remember we have something at this day. It's impossible to find. I will make sure to let you know. I remember that my market is going to be closed this day, but I don't remember why. Um, oh, I see. Okay, thank you, guys. Okay, guys, thank you. Yeah, exactly. So market is going to be closed at January 9. It's not really like bank holiday, but yeah. Thank you, guys. Did absolutely nothing for holidays. Okay, guys. Okay. So it's not really like bank holiday. Um, but this means we can do something this day, actually, since market is going to be closed. But my kids still are going to be in daycare, so that's fine, I guess. Yeah, maybe we can do a backtest session next week. Sounds like a plan, right? Okay, guys, let's talk about the market. Actually, What I expect already happened. That's always annoying, guys. So yesterday, where is my plan? This is what I expect to get yesterday. So I expect to get 15-minute inversion fair value gap, then delivered it to the 50% of 4-hour bearish fair value gap. Then if we can break above top of this 4-hour bearish fair value gap, I will expect to get previous day high level. That was my plan yesterday, actually. So what happened? We got this 15-minute inversion fair value gap with immediate delivery to 50% of 4-hour bearish fair value gap. Let me change the color for this. And after this, it offered an attempt to reach previous day high level, but instead it reversed. I would say it's pretty similar price. 9:30 a.m. open from Tuesday, so looks like it's trying to be like resistance for us. But what I can see on ES, we broke above previous day high level and reached 4-hour bearish fair value gap. That was our plan on Tuesday when we were trying to long, right? It's okay. So right now we just trace back to 4-hour inversion fair value gap on. Now I can change color back to gray. Back to 4-hour inversion fair value gap. And I would say as long as you stay above New York midnight open on ES and somewhere near 4-hour inversion fair value gap, I would like to see previous day high level taken. So far we have SMT. But once again, as long as we stay inside 4-hour inversion fair value gap, we still have a chance to reverse and take previous day high level. I would say London low sweep also fine for me. REC, yeah, a little bit. Yeah, usually the day after holiday, not perfect, but come on, we already got 200 points. I cannot say like it was a bad price action. Hello. So I would say, yeah, I will look for potential short opportunity below monthly open again to look for previous day low taken. So basically RTH test of previous day low level. And if you can see strong break below previous day low level, I will aim for the sell stops. This is where I would like to look for potential short opportunity. Otherwise, we still have a chance to continue going higher. Let's see so. I don't have like solid plan right now. Give me 1 second. I forgot my water bottle, I guess. Yeah, give me 1 second. I was fast. I know. Anyway, looks like in Q not bad today. Maybe we'll trade in Q. But in Q always drop more than ES. So this means we still have room to go lower on ES. So let's see how we can play with New York Midnight Open on both ES and NQ, and let's see how we can play with monthly open if we can reach this level. It's not bank holiday today. It's going to be next week. Exactly in 1 week, by the way, in 7 days. Happy New Year! Hello. So let me switch. Let me connect my accounts. I'm going to trade Apex today. For some reason, I cannot trade all my 20 accounts because it's like psychological issue. I always trade like 16, 17 accounts. So I'm going to connect again. Like, I'm just like mix them. 15 accounts. Let's see. I hope I used. I did not get them yet. I'm going to get today, so I will use your code. Don't worry. So looks like ES and Q trying to retrace to New York Midnight Open. Let me check for chart on ES. Oh yeah, I forgot to highlight this inversion. Let me copy this. Oh, I cannot say this inversion. That's volume imbalance actually. Okay, it's okay. Volume imbalance. Yeah, it's not inversion. Okay, volume imbalance is also fine. Let me copy my another tab. I would like to show you stat map today. Give me 1 second. Let's check stat map. 4-hour daily. Okay. I'm going to stay in 15-minute chart. Let's see. Let's give it time. So I would like to talk about something right now. Give me 1 second. I'm going to I don't have drawings. Okay. So as you already remember, when we use daily levels, and for example, we are bullish, we're looking for a long trade between daily open and bullish manipulation. We are going to wait for 15-minute inversion fair value gap, and we are going to aim for opposite manipulation level or distribution level, right? So this means if you want to check today's price action, actually that was the reason why I expect to get long today, this night. Okay, what we can see right here, we got daily open, minor move above daily open, but it was minor, really minor. Nothing happened right here, just like minor sweep right here. Then reversal all the way down to below daily manipulation level, bullish manipulation level, and after this it formed inversion, right? So after this we would like to see what delivered it to this manipulation level, and then an attempt to reach daily distribution level. So this setup played out actually. Not best in terms of risk reward if you want to, for example, long from here and, for example, put our stop loss below inversion, but still play out. What next? No reason to look for these 4-hour levels yet. We will look for them at 10 a.m. You know that inversion fair value gap has 46, 50% win rate. I don't really care how many points. How big this win rate. I don't really care. I don't need this. So I mean, not every single inversion fair value gap is going to work. I guess we all know this. My execution tab. So nothing happened right there. So what we would like to see. I did not take any trades. Yeah, inversion fair value gap. We don't need to take every single inversion fair value gap, but we may look for conditions when we can take inversion fair value gap. For example, we can use this for stat map levels or as confirmation of smart money reversal, but I never used actually inversion fair value gap as confirmation of smart money reversal, but I can use this with combination of inversion fair value gap and change in the state of delivery. At this point, yeah, we have high probability inversion. How do you know about this win rate? Okay. I don't know, so. You backtested actually, you have same name as my husband actually have. So I was like, maybe it's my husband typing right now. Okay, yes, you can test. You backtested. What year did you backtest? Oh, of course. Give me 1 second. This one. Let me bring this. Let me delete this for now. Give me 1 second. I'm going to do this better for you, so you will. Now you can screenshot this. You backtested 4 years. I mean, that's fine. I'm not going to argue with you what percentage of win rate. Totally possible, so. Did you screenshot this? Can I bring this back? Okay. While we are waiting, so gonna make it bigger, I guess. No, that's for fractal model. Yeah, of course. We are not in a rush right now. Is the Epic's 90% promo still happening? Yes, it's valid until today. Okay, done. Oh, okay. Doesn't want to. Okay, it's okay. Like this. Okay. Back on 15-minute chart. Okay, guys, market is open. Right now, we just tested New York midnight open on both yes and NQ. So, as I said before, very important to see how we can react for monthly open. That's Asia low. Hard to see what's this level. And actually, yes, sometimes I can trade at right at the open, but it's extremely risky in my opinion. So, prefer to stay away from this. Hello. As long as we stay above monthly open, we have a chance to continue going higher. But once again, below monthly open makes sense to drop all the way down to previous day low level again. So basically RTH test. Okay, guys, let's focus a little bit, right? It's not fair value gap yet. Potential. So once again, below monthly open, so we strong break below this level, makes sense to offer RTH test of previous day low level. I would say same for yes. So going to keep this 2-minute fair value gap on my chart. Looks like it's going to be fair value gap. Also would like to see fractal model. Nothing, right? Nothing. Okay. Oh, you have lots of data. Actually, I expect to get previous day low level since we took this level before market open. So RCH test if actually is possible. Is possible. So Asia low taken, we trace back to 15-minute inversion. It's not fair value gap. It's an inversion fair value gap. So below London low. Let's see. So just makes sense to offer RTH test of previous day low level once again below monthly open. No trades taken, guys. No. I'm not on any trade. No, just observing right now. You back for the accent, okay? So you want to highlight Asia high and Asia low between 8 p.m. and midnight, New York time. Let me see. Actually, I started observing footprint as well. So give me 1 second. We will see right now. That's the ES chart. Looks like the next level, important level on ES is going to be near previous day low level, but right below Asia low. So let's see. Okay. Trying to respect Asia low. At this moment we have SMT, but once again, still makes sense to continue going lower to previous day low level. So I can expect RTH test of previous day low level. And once again, on ES, looks like I would like to see. Yeah, I would say somewhere between Asia low and previous day low level. Let's find the middle. Actually, would like to see move right here to 50%, near like 59.26. This is what I would like to see on ES. We will see right now. So if I want to talk about fractal models, nothing yet. Strong hourly candle right here. Strong displacement so far. Looking for previous day low taken and looking for 50% of this blue box. So that's basically the range between Asia low and previous day low level. Since we are too close to previous day low level, yeah, makes sense right now. We will see. 5-minute chart. Yeah, I like this plan. Give me 1 second. Okay. I did not highlight equilibrium of previous range. Doesn't really make sense because we already ran this level. I mean, we already took this level before market open. So looking for 50% of this box right here. And by the next level, sell stops right here. Russian. What is Russian? I mean, why you mentioned this language? Yeah, that guy I just left some notes for me, comments for me. It's okay. Yeah, I would like to see what happened right here. We took this buy side liquidity right here. Looks like we got order block right here, and yeah, looks like it's trying to hold below 50%. Yeah, strong bearish signal actually. Asia low failed to be taken. Still has room to go lower. Why your price is different from mine? Probably because you don't have data on TradingView. Maybe that's the reason. Do you have small letter D right here? Somewhere right here. I don't remember exactly where it's going to be. Orange D. If so, this means you have delayed data. Maybe you need to adjust, yeah, to the current contract, but I guess it's not going to change any. Maybe it's going to change something. Let me see. No, not really. Asia kill zone, so usually I highlight Asia low and Asia high based on kill zone, not session. So basically between 8 p.m. and New York midnight. New York time, obviously. We have SMT with YM. I don't really care about SMT with YM, honestly. Doesn't really make sense to look at this. Every single time, for example, when ES, not every single time, but mostly, when ES and NQ is dropping, YM is trying to go higher. I mean, doesn't really make sense to consider SMT with YM. Which app is this? That's TradingView. For use the high, you can open daily candle, so basically 6 p.m. Still believe we have room to go lower on ES, but we just balanced for our volume balance. Yeah, sometimes it's just hard to trade YM if you want to, for example, use this as, if you want to compare with ES and NQ, absolutely, like sometimes it's different direction. Not sometimes, but like most of the time. For the play during live, I will check. So actually, I guess I changed this already, but nothing happened. I will see what I can do. I cannot change this right now, I believe. But I will see what I can do next time. So after big move down or up, I usually try to stay away from 1 minute confirmation for short, for smart money reversal. Makes sense, wait for 5 minutes. So we just got Asia loaded test. Just highlighted order block. Once again, we already balanced our volume balance. So now my question, main question for me, if it wants to retrace back to New York midnight open and fail to close above this level. If so, we can expect another move lower. If it fails to close above New York midnight open, just kind of hard for me right now to look for a short. It's already too low for me, and yeah, this cap doesn't really make sense. But if we made it trace back to New York midnight open or London low, so it's close to each other, but fail to close above this level or offer break above this level, I will look for potential continuation lower. Any trade so far? No, nothing yet. We have news at 9:45 a.m. and we have news at 9:45 a.m. Yeah. Yeah, news came out. Now, all I would like to see is, once again, an attempt to reach New York midnight open on ES. And this will be my point of decision, so where we can go next. So, for my trade opportunity. Is it gonna be more bearish than ES? I mean, it's in sync right now. Nothing wrong with this. But what we can anticipate at this point, potential retracement. Right now, once again, I anticipate to get New York midnight open, and I will decide what I would like to do after this. If it wants to be just sweep, when minor break above this level, I can anticipate continuation lower. If it's going to be strong break above this level, I can anticipate continuation higher. That's pretty much the plan. So far, I can see sweep on both yes and NQ right here and right here. It's not break of structure, it's nothing. Use volume profile. Yes, by the way, I do use this. That's why I have lots of screens, actually. It's not Russian stock, that's yes, thank you. So right now, it's very important to see how we can react from New York midnight to Russian stocks. Okay, guys. Focus on price action. It's very important to see how we can react from London low or New York midnight open. And it's important to see how we can react from monthly open. Okay, I'm going to be patient right now. I'm not ready to close this breakout block, honestly. Just going to remove this. We got minor sweep of Asia low reaction with change in the state of delivery right here. This is two down close candles. but I cannot say that's strong yet since we don't have displacement yet. Yeah, still would like to see, would like to see move somewhere right here, slightly higher, and I will decide how I want to play from here. If it wants to reverse from here, it's going to be strange, honestly, but if we may reach this range, preferably New York midnight open, but I highlighted the range between London low and New York midnight open. We will see how we want to play from here. You mean sell imbalance on yes? For some reason, I cannot see this on my chart. Oh, NQ. Okay. This is what I can see right here. I can see sell imbalance at 315. Can you see this? Near this 2-minute fair value gap. And right now. Like right now. So right here, guys, okay, I would like to focus right now. So we just took New York midnight open. So far, we can see a strong break above this level, but nothing to trade yet. Strong break above this level so far. As you can see, we got a strong move up right here, but nothing that I can trade since I don't have any order blocks with displacement. I mean, I only have this order block with minor displacement, so kind of, okay, guys, just, I'm lost, the price is fast. Yeah, guys, focus on price action, so wait for setup. Strong buy imbalance. Yeah, I can see that, by the way, yes. NQ still below New York midnight open, trying to respect this fair value gap. So once again, nothing I like yet. Yeah, when it moves fast, it's also hard for me to trade since, as you know, I trade order blocks with displacement. How can I be in trade? I mean, like, how? I'm not in trade, guys. Just said, I'm waiting for setup, so I trade order blocks mostly, and I'm not going to change the price simply because it's trying to go higher. Absolutely zero reason for this. Well, 5 minutes. Changing the state of delivery. Same on a yes. 1. Okay. Too low for this OT. Yeah, not wins here, just decided to highlight. Above New York midnight open, it will be a strong bullish sign for me. That's. Let me switch on M and Q right now. I like M and Q more. I mean NQ more than ES right now. M and Q. So once again, when you see displacement, this means we have speed, and most likely we will get minor retracement, or we will not get retracement at all. No reason to wait for this OT anymore. So far, yeah, we have SMT at these lows. We have this 1 minute fair value gap, not inversion yet, and we have this 2 minute inversion. What time it is? So far, looks like a strong reversal signal on 15-minute chart. No trades taken yet. Trying to see if I have any. No. Nothing yet. This flat candle is still good target for me. So I'm trying to be patient right now. I saw 0 setups for me. I just continue going higher pretty quick. Trying to be patient. Let me read my pre-market plan. Actually, if not mistaken, I mentioned that I would like to long. As long as I stay above New York midnight open, I want to look for potential long opportunity to aim for weekly open. So yeah, we're above New York midnight open once again. So this makes sense for me. If I want to look for long, I will look for long on ES above New York midnight open to aim for weekly open. I'm not going to sit in this 70 points straight, obviously. Yeah, and QJ decided just going higher with no retracement. That's always annoying, but okay, part of the game. We got very minor retracement to this fair value gap right here. I mean, yeah, it moved already too fast, lots of points, but once again, 200 points. I saw 0 setups for me. Just trying to stick to my plan. Look for long above New York midnight open, but so far, nothing I like. I mean, nothing to take for me. Yeah. Yep. Usually the day after holiday is like mostly consolidation, but like not like 200 points lower than 200 points higher. Now it's like 100 points away from my first target and a little bit more than 100 points away from previously high level. Annoying. That's annoying. Oh, we didn't have any imbalance as well. Strong displacement right here. When we have strong displacement, usually I don't expect to get big retracement down, so usually it's very minor retracement. Or something like this to continue going higher. So let's see. This buy stops taken. And this buy stops taken as well. Kind of cannot see this as a reversal yet. It can be once again minor retracement, so let's see. It's almost 10 a.m., so we'll look for potential silver bullet setup. I'm going to trade 16 accounts today if I see perfect setup, but I hope to get something. So let's see. Trying to be patient right now. I'm not really trade. I'm not mad. And I'm not really like trade only 1 minute chart. For example, if I see 5 minute setup, I will just execute on 1 minute chart to get better entry and better stop loss. Not trade ideas yet, so. Same, for example, on 15 minute chart. I can see perfect setup, but in terms of risk reward as an intraday trader, not best, right? Makes sense to just switch on lower time frame to get better entry. So far, just fake changing the state of delivery. Guys, it's 10 a.m. I would like to switch from stat map levels. And I will keep my eyes how we can trade with these for manipulation levels. Yeah, if it made it chase lower to this floor manipulation level and form inversion, I will look for a long, obviously. And kind of hard to short right now. So I will look how we can play with these floor levels on stat map. I'm going to keep my eyes. Floor level is 351. Right below this fair value gap right here. So basically, if we may go right here, offer inversion right here, long, like this. Stop loss, I will adjust stop loss. I'm not sure about stop loss yet. I'm sorry, guys. I hope it makes sense. This is what I would like to take. If I made a trace or for example, to this inversion, say to this 1 minute inversion, same idea to offer second stage of free accumulation, then long. Not sure about stop loss yet. I'm not sure where price will go exactly. Like this. So we will see. This is what I'm looking for right now to get. My next target on NQ will be this 15-minute flat candle. Let me delete this. I'm bullish. Waiting for the tracement down first. So hard for me to look for long without the tracement. Going to extend this. That's right now inversion, right? Because if it's going to be minor tracement like this, only yes, I will wait, for what? I will wait for fair value gap formation right here to look for long. Something like this. That's what I will look on in Q if it wants to be minor retracement. Unfortunately, not perfect scenario for me, but can happen. So preferably retrace lower, as I said before, to this 1 minute inversion. And I would say back to this 2 minute inversion to look for a trade opportunity to long. Otherwise, just makes sense to wait for the break above this level for value gap entry, which is also valid. Potential time distortion, yes. Let's focus right now. Because once again, totally possible to see with this minor retracement continuation higher. My target is previous day high level. If it may create imbalance right here at this break, I will look for long from this imbalance to aim for previous day high level. Just looking at fractal model right here. Let me adjust a little bit. We have bullish structure right now. See this? Bullish sign for me. So let's focus right now. If it may offer imbalance, I will try to long. If not, then not. This previous day high level. I'm not on trade yet. If it may offer imbalance, we can try to long. Let's see. Otherwise, no trades. No trades. Trying to form imbalance right now. Let's see. I'm sorry, guys. Previous day high taken once again only yes. Let's see. Let's try to focus right now. I don't like this imbalance with these weeks. Let's see. Anyway, still volatile balance. Let's see. So I'm going to show you disclaimer first. Guys, give me 1 second. Guys, I'm going to come back in 1 minute. Sorry, guys. Come back. Came back. Sorry, got distracted a little bit. Got a call phone. Give me 1 second. I guess I missed nothing, right? So my top step accounts. So yeah, let's focus right now. Nothing is going on. Okay, guys, I got distracted by phone call. Give me 1 second. I guess I missed nothing. We got this fair value gap right here, right? What else? No trades taken yet, guys. I got distracted once again. We have this fractal model right here. Looks bullish so far. Let me focus right now. On the yes, looks like we didn't get any retracement. We got this imbalance right here. That's pretty much it. My target will be previous day high. I did not take any trades yet. This fair value gap is valid, so I will wait for order block formation with displacement to try this long. I mean, order block over it. We don't have displacement. Looks nice to me anyway. No trades, guys. Nothing yet. I got distracted. So I'm going to highlight this order block right here. Hard to highlight this candle. But still. I'm not in any trade. I'm just waiting for setup to form. Asia low taken on both yes and NQ. That's pretty much it. On yes, preferable to see this. Ideally, on yes, I would like to see something like this to look for long. Just so hard for me to try this minor retracement, but still valid minor retracement. So let's focus right now. Preference. Okay, close this. Yeah, trying to focus right now. You call it 2022? What do you mean? Yeah, I will show you. Okay, about order blocks and no trades taken yet. Trying to just pick this fair value gap so far with this ugly order block, but look at ES. ES obviously order block is right here, so I need to see confirmation on ES as well to be in sync. I don't like long opportunity right now. That's what I want to say. I'm going to extend this inversion fair value gap since I would like to see this inversion fair value gap retest. Ideally. Yeah, nothing I like so far to take. If you made a trace right here, that will be nice to see. And possible New York midnight open retest on NQ. This is what I will call like textbook. So far we just reached for our manipulation level. We don't have any 2-minute inversion fair value gaps to trade nothing yet. But I'm going to project this level on this chart as well. This red line. It's like 40 points away. If you made a trace right here, that will be nice. Let's see. So I'm not on any trades right now. Yeah, let's highlight this range right here. First deviation right above previous day high level, which is nice. We got flat candle right here, which can be sell stops for us. Hope to get this 1-minute inversion. This looking for this pink line right here. Sell stops taken. It's not really sell stops. Man, ICT is in your name. You just called yourself as an unprofitable trader. ICT algo trading. Well, because ICT is not strategy, maybe because of this, you wasn't profitable. Oh, okay, guys, focus. We got this 1-minute inversion right now. Almost a test of New York midnight open. Focus right now. As long as we're trying to hold this inversion, that's bullish still. Okay, guys, let's focus. Pretty big, huge ranges in my opinion. Already way below the... would like to invalidate it. It's already too low in my opinion. But did not close yet, so let's see. Still above New York midnight open. It trades back to 5-minute fair value gap. But what I don't like right here, that NQ already below New York midnight open. So I don't have any trades right now. Come on, close your chart. You're not a gambler, right? I'm sorry, guys. So still nothing I like. Sharp reversal from here, from this previous day high, RTH test of previous day high level. I cannot say something significant happened on NQ. So we'll try to be careful right now. What I can see based on 4-hour candle, it's pretty much bearish. This current candle right here. The test of monthly open on both ES and NQ. I'm waiting for the tracement. You know, I trade order blocks, and for me right now, kind of hard to look for any entry. Since we don't have any retracement, it was quick move up, quick move down without any retracements at all. So yeah, I'm totally fine to not take any trades today. If I can avoid taking stupid trades, I will do this. My bias was long initially above this bias, above monthly open and New York midnight open to take previous day high level. After this, it was like a reversal from nowhere. And I was like, okay. I can see the high probability long from this inversion fair value gap, but also invalidated this. But anyway, I'm looking for a yes right now. The same plan. Just offered order block right here with displacement. Nothing on ES yet. Minor order block. So nothing yet. Once again, if no trades today I'm totally fine with this. It's already below New York midnight open. It's so hard for me to frame any long setup right now. Look at ES. ES doesn't really want to break above New York midnight open yet. Kind of tricky, honestly, to long. We test of this 5-minute order block as well. Anyway, let's focus. If we may break above New York midnight open, then maybe something. For short, I need to see order block. Same picture. Otherwise, no trades. So that looks like order block so far, but still below New York midnight open. Kind of tricky right now for me. I like that the ES&Q trying to hold monthly open, but once again, kind of tricky for now. Look at different time frames right now. It's pretty much bullish on 4-hour chart and on 1-hour chart right now. Yeah, I will try to be patient with longs. I don't like any longs ideas yet. As well, it's kind of hard for me to look for short setup. Anyway, trying to hold monthly open in order block. I will try to be focused. Looks like we got OTA retracement so far. Very hard for me to frame any trades. Yeah, we got OT so far. Means nothing anyway. I see this for our buy-side liquidity sweep. That's pretty much it. It's trying to offer 15-minute bearish structure, but I don't really like it. Big ranges in my opinion. Yeah, kind of tricky right now. Yeah, I'm totally fine if no trades the guys yet taken today. If no any other trades, I mean if any no any other trade ideas, I will stay away. It's pretty much bearish. I see 15-minute liquidity sweep as well. Looks like 1-minute bearish structure offered. Yeah, kind of doesn't really make sense right now for me to look for any longs ideas. Bearish, in my opinion. So let's see. Invalidate this order block. I'm so distracted today by any other things. Okay, so annoying. Trying to focus but distracted every single time. Okay, guys. I guess I'm back to price action right now. Just trying to adjust my accounts right now. I'm not sure I want to trade more than 10 accounts today, so just adjusted them. Let me read the chat right now. Everyone is bearish right now. It's not going to lie, so hard for me to read the price action. Not going to lie. I expect to get very bullish signature about New York Midnight Open today, Tuesday high level, but I'm happy I did not take any trades right here. It's so hard for me to frame any trades right now. Huge ranges. The test of sorry guys. The test of this breaker block right here and this Asia low so far. The test of this bottom of this 4-hour volume imbalance. And 5-minute change in the state of delivery. Yeah, I'm going to look for potential entry next 30 minutes. If nothing, then nothing. Not going to chase any price, guys. Price action. It's so hard for me to right now to frame any trades. I feel like I'm going to chase if I want to try something. Just without setup, no reason to take any trades. It's pretty much bearish right now. I would say yes, has room to go lower, another 16 points lower. Not going to lie. Everything is possible right here. Still would like to bring this OT back right here. Still trying to hold the range between 60 and 79%, which is valid for twin setup. If it wants to be twin setup. Makes sense. I mean, twin setup from this order block will be nice to see. Huge ranges. How big this range actually from here to here? It's 70 points. That's huge range. So hard for me to frame this trade based on this even range. 70 points range. Yeah, I'm not going to trade after 11. That's pretty much it. Not going to lie, I'm scared to trade right now. Feel like not comfortable to execute. A little bit like not comfortable. Yeah, I'm not comfortable because of this range, because that's hugely tracement down, and yeah, that's kind of hard for me to frame any trades. We have CL. I'm not going to trade CL as well, but huge move up, honestly. Go full margin. Yeah, sure. I feel like if I can protect myself from taking stupid trades, I will do this. High risk, high reward. I mean, is it worth it? Quick, well, it's super volatile right now, like super volatile. Look at the ES from like 45 all the way up to 55 for 1 second, and retrace all the way back down to 45 to 50% of this forward volume imbalance. Perfect day to blow our accounts, guys. What I can say. That's amazing day for this. With this volatility. I didn't say it's like not amazing, but I'm scared of this volatility. Yeah, this order block already traced below 50%. That's why I don't want to take any trades right here. Full board long. Okay. For some reason, I cannot see big imbalance on footprint right now. What price for this imbalance? Maybe I'm blind. I see big imbalance at 155, somewhere right here. No? That's all I can see, honestly, right now. I'm Sonia. RTH is regular trading hours. That's why I said it's so hard for me to frame long setup right now. This 4-hour candle looks so strong. So we have big imbalance on footprint chart right at 55. Right here. How big is this 1 minute candle? Like 30 points. Still volatility right here between Asia low and previous day low level, 50% right here. It's so volatile right now. Still trying to hold this breaker block on 1 minute chart, but once again, I see 4-hour range done right here from this 4-hour manipulation to the distribution level. So no reason to look for these 4-hour levels anymore. Would like to highlight this order block right here. Why I would like to highlight this? Since we have this 1 minute structure right here. So we have this one, then propulsion block right here. That's propulsion block basically. I'm trying to hold this. Okay. Forcing deviation of this range right here is right below this imbalance that I can see on the footprint chart. So this range right here is standard deviation range. Target area. Okay, fair value gap right here. Let's see how we can play with this fair value gap. So far, I have zero interest in taking any trades, honestly. With this volatility, no, thank you. Crazy. I'm sorry, guys. It's tricky price action. I mean, right now I'm looking for NQ trade because NQ is slightly higher than AS. ES already reaches almost reaches equal lows right here. So it makes sense right now to look on NQ. But guys, I see zero setups right now, like zero. Like negative. I have zero interest in longs right now. Looking at this 4-hour candle right now and the 1-hour candle, that's extremely bearish signs for me right now. So I will try to stay away at this moment at least. We already got strong break below New York midnight open, so hard for me to say I'm ready to look for long right now. It's okay. Maybe I will change my mind. I guess you cannot post pictures right here. I will be done at 11 today, so if no any setups right now, done. I'm like see zero setups. I see zero setups. I don't want to sit and chase the price, honestly. I'm sorry, guys. Giveaway time next week. Giveaway is going to be next week. Super volatile right now. Yeah, trying to short is like not smart, maybe. As well, it's not really smart right now to look for any trades. Okay, I'm trying to be careful. It's still inside Twins area, honestly, between 62 and 79%. Just inverted this fair value gap right here. Let's see if we may trace back to New York midnight open. Yes, looks like trying to trace back to New York midnight open. I'm sorry, guys. Also looks like we just return to this area right here. Would like to see the test of New York midnight open. It's already almost 11. Lots of volatility. I'm sorry, guys. The test of New York midnight open is done. ES already broke above this level. Okay, on ES I see very first bullish signal since we already broke above New York midnight open. On NQ I cannot see this signal since it's just sweep. I don't really like it. So I would say if we may stay above New York midnight open on ES and break above New York midnight open on NQ, we will look for this move up only. This is where I will have an interest to take something. Otherwise, absolutely zero reason for this. See how sweep right here, how we react from the sweep. That's always happens a lot. I mean, that happens a lot. It's not in sync with the ES. It's super aggressive right now, I would say. Reaction from New York midnight open. I mean, sweep means reversal. We all know this, right? Pretty solid reaction from this fair value gap. We got sequence of candles, guys. I would say same plan since we got reaction down to this fair value gap. Sequence of these done close candles. Exactly what I explained at the beginning of this week. If you make close above this, that's long signal for me. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm a little bit sick. It's so hard for me to speak a lot. So exactly what I explained once again at the beginning of this week right here, remember guys? So as reaction from fair value gap, so we want to see a closure above the sequence of candles, done close candles, for example. And if we may close above this level, that's extremely bullish sign for me. So this is what I call order block with displacement after reaction from fair value gap, from inversion of fair value gap, from order block, from liquidity sweep, right? I will try to sit right here. Just interesting if we may get a little bit late setup. Sometimes it happens when we have setup after 11. I prefer to stay away, but if we may get this idea, I will try to look at this. Once again, sequence of these candles will be order block for us. Some people prefer to use bodies right here. I don't like it. So only what can change my mind, it's bullish right now, obviously, but what will change my mind? Strong break above New York midnight open with closure above this red line right here. I don't know, like lots of people tells, even ICT said that like VIX do this damage, bodies tell the story. But in my opinion, when we talk about order blocks, VIX do tell the story, honestly. Once again, I will be interested in continuation higher only above this level. Otherwise, absolutely zero interest. Otherwise, absolutely zero reason to long right now from this fair value gap. For me, at least. No, we must get the closure above this red line to consider this opportunity. So far, guys, 0 trades taken, and honestly happy with this. I mean, that's so stressful for me right now to look for any entry. But once again, I will be fine to try this break above this level. Once again, if it's going to be just sweep, it's not bullish sign for us at all. We're waiting for the closure only. Just I feel like this move up not done yet, but I cannot blindly long this after such a huge move down right here. As well as we're still inside this area right here. That's bearish area, right? T-spot, we call this T-spot. Right here. Slightly higher. I'm sorry, guys. Looks like another T-spot trying to form right here, bearish T-spot. Means nothing, just trying to tell you. Okay, guys, it's 11. I'm done for today. I'm done for today, guys. Not going to take any trades, going to disconnect any accounts right now. Done, guys. I will see you tomorrow, okay? Just no reason for me to execute. I'm just like, it's 11, so going to stay away. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.